What if I told you that learning the basics of AI could make you rich? Well, it's true. And today, I'm going to rank every single AI tool that can help unlock your hidden potential based on rigorous testing of over 500 tools. The best free AI tools for absolute beginners if you're just getting started with AI. These free tools are the perfect place to begin. First up is ChatGPT, which lets you have natural conversations with an advanced language model. It's great for practicing your prompts and getting comfortable interacting with AI. Next, try DALL-E 2 for generating incredible art from simple text descriptions. It taps into the creative potential of AI. Finally, check out AutoGPT, a powerful tool that automates workflows across different AI models. Mid-tier AI tools worth the investment once you've mastered the free tier. It's time to level up to more advanced tools with premium features. Jasper AI is a top choice for content creation, able to write compelling copy and even full articles from scratch. It can supercharge your writing productivity. For coders, GitHub Copilot suggests code in real time as you type, which is an incredible boost to any developer's efficiency. And if you deal with customer data, try out something like Synthesia, which generates insights and visualizations from raw datasets. The ultimate AI power tools for those ready to go all in on the AI revolution. These are the most powerful tools that can truly transform how you work. Mosaic ML is a cutting-edge platform for training your own custom language models and fine-tuning them with just a handful of examples. Here's the rewritten text with Prosody. This tool is like having an army of robot interns at your command. For video creators, you need Lumen 5. It can generate entire videos from a script animation, editing, voiceover too. No Ultimate Toolkit is complete without LangChain. Combine multiple models into custom agents that handle complex tasks. So start with the free tier, level up to mid-range, and graduate to the power tools. And check out our other AI mastery guides. You've got everything you need here, the only tools guide you'll ever need to go from zero to hero.